Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to build the Taj Mahal in Agra, India. As you can see, this is an architecture set and it's 18 plus, and the set number is 21056 and it has 2022 pieces. So we can check the back. You can see the 3 compartments we're gonna build and actual pictures from the Taj Mahal. This is our finished project. It's going to be 20 centimeters slash 7.5 inches tall and 23 centimeters slash 9 inches wide. So if we now open the box, you can see the instructions and all the pieces here. So let's start build. Before that, you can see the instructions, the Taj Mahal's history. You can pause to read this. Then we have a note from the design team. Then we have what we're going to do with the bags. So now I'm going to start with bag 1. So let's get building.
Staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets me free.
Time for bag 2. For bag 3. Let's do bag 4. let's do bag 5.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets me free.
Let's build bag 6. Almost done. Time for bag 7. A few more bags to go. Now for bag 8. Only one more to go. Time for bag 9. This is the last bag. So let's do bag 10. The Lego Taj Mahal. There are some fun Easter eggs that I'll show you. You can see the top comes off and there's a dome inside. If you take the dome too, you can see 2 bricks. Those are the tombs. So you can just put it back in. You can see this is almost like the real thing. There is not much mistakes in the actual build, but you can see it's really good and high quality too. And the fun of the building process, it's, I'll say, mid. It's sometimes fun and just sometimes boring. Like this part where I have to do the checkerboard pattern and the building the dome. So let's talk about the other thing I love is the instructions.